Animals are precious gift of God. When we talk about the term fauna, it is not only for wild animals but also for all the life forms including birds, insects, plants, fungi and even microscopic organisms. To maintain an ecological balance on this land, animals, plants, and marine species are as important as humans. All the natural habitats of plants and animals are destroyed by the humans for land and agricultural development. Hunting of animals for fur, meat and fashion products are other important factors for the extinction of wildlife. The extinction of the wildlife will definitely have a direct impact on the humans. So, for us as human beings, it's our responsibility to take important measures to save wildlife and our planet. You all have heard the term food chain? The ecosystem is completely based on the relationships between organisms linked by food chains. Even if a single species die out of the ecosystem, it can disturb the entire food chain and lead to disastrous results. The human race depends largely on agriculture and plants for their food needs. Do you know that wildlife plays an important role in the growth of these crops? If not, we will understand the concept. The fruits and vegetables that we get from plants and trees results from a process called pollination, a reproductive system in plants where the pollen grains of the male flower are transferred to the female flower and results in the production of seeds. Now, for pollination, birds, bees and insects play an important role. These insects transfer the pollen grains between the flowers as they pass from one flower to another. Crop growth can be affected if the number of birds and insects carried by the pollen decreases in number for any reason. But that's not important to everyone. After all, what does the decreasing population of some tiny insect, or cutting down a few more acres of forest, have to do with me? People have families to feed, bills to pay, and more than enough to worry about in life. Sadly, the extinction crisis and nature laws do affect people. Society is robbing nature for short-term benefits by drilling, mining, polluting today, and stick the bills for future generations later on. Unfortunately, this later on is now. Extinction and nature loss are already threatening to sickness, decreasing water and air quality, impact of extreme weather events, weaken our ability to fight climate change, affecting the physical and mental health. It's high time to talk over this problem and take strict actions against all this imbalance happening in nature. It is very important to secure a network of land and water that lets species adapt, free of any human interference. We need to have more and more projects of national parks, wilderness areas and other public lands we have already protected and make them hubs of a life support system that will stand as a wall against